Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to use the sum function inside of Google Sheets. The sum function is one of the most basic formulas inside of Sheets, but also one of the most helpful and often used. I use spreadsheets to create monthly budget sheets for myself, for instance, keeping track of all my income and debt, and it's become one of the most beneficial things for me. To get started, open Chrome and log into your Google account and either search for Google Sheets in the browser or use the app drop-down menu here. Once inside, at the top, select blank. This will then create your new Sheets file. Just to have some numbers to work with, I'll create a few columns here and enter some data. We see here in the first column is our income. We have two sources of income, so I'll enter the data there. Then we'll create a few more columns like bills, credit cards, and student loans. Then I'll just quickly enter some numbers here. This is where you're going to go through all of your debts and organize them. So now we have our data. I usually leave a space and then start my sum function. Type in equal sum open parentheses and then select the first income, press the plus sign, and then the second income, then press enter. That will then perform the function, adding the sums of the two cells that we've selected. Next, select the cell at the bottom of the bills column, type equal sum open parentheses, and then for this one, we want everything in that column, so select the top bill data and drag down to the bottom like this, and then press enter. This will then add up everything in the selection that we've just made. We'll go ahead and do that for the next two columns. Now that we have our cells added up using the sum functions, I'll drop down a couple more cells and type total income. In the cell next to that, type equal sum open parentheses and select just the total income cell and press enter. Now, if we ever add or change our income in the cells above, this field will also take effect. In the next row, type total debt, and in the next cell, type equal sum open parentheses, and then click and drag across your total debts, same as we did on the individual bill data. Press enter and that will add those up. Finally, skip a row and type balance. In the cell next to that, type equal sum open parentheses, select the total income cell, press the minus button, and finally your total debt, and press enter. This will then give you your balance, income minus debt. This spreadsheet, like I said, is incredibly important, I feel, for everyone. I use it every month to keep my stuff in check and adjust as my situations change, and I hope it helps you guys out too. And it's that simple to use the sum function inside of Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.